Guys, welcome back to our channel. Guys, today we're gonna see another ROA concept similar like baked beans, guys. Okay, recently baked beans made a lot of profit to the investors as well as you and me, guys. Okay, baked beans and similar like baked beans, or here same Matic network with Matic. Okay, baked beans is like we are staking BNB and we can earn BNB rewards. Okay, this is another with Matic network. By staking Matic, we can earn Matic, guys. Okay, the project name is the Farmhouse, guys. Okay, guys, let's get into the video. Okay, guys, today we're gonna see the project about the farmhouse. Okay, this farmhouse is launched just now. Okay, just 1 hour before this is launched, or nearly 2 hours before this is launched. In the launch time, within 1 hour itself, see here, more than 5,58,000 Matic has been deposited. Okay, even I also deposited a small amount. Again, I wish to deposit a small amount, guys. Okay, more than 5 lakh Matic network, 5 lakh Matic coin deposited, guys. Okay, 5 lakh means nearby $7 lakh worth of Matic coins has been deposited here. Okay, so guys, I have deposited with a small amount because this is giving in the initial stage, this is giving a lot of profit to the investors. Okay, in the initial stage, those who are investing, everybody will be getting a lot of amount. Okay, lot of profit, more than 100% we will be getting within 1 day or 2 days we will be getting, guys. Okay, so don't miss it out. Okay, if you are an ROA investor, you can invest in this one because this is a new project similar like baked beans. Okay, so till now 5,58,000. Okay, Matic has been invested. My wallet 10 Matic is available. My seeds is 2,148 seeds is available here. Okay, so plant seeds, replant seeds, harvest seeds. You all know that by withdrawing, replanting, the all things. Okay, so the daily return is I am getting 7%. Okay, daily return I am getting 7%, guys. APR is 2,555%. Okay, DEV fee, withdraw fee is 2%. So my referral link is here. Okay, this is my referral link, guys. Okay, so guys, I am investing again. I am putting a small amount. Okay, so plant seeds 10.4. Again, I am putting a small amount. Okay, again I'm putting 10 Matic. Okay, 10 Matic and giving plant seeds. Okay, so the transaction will get completed. Okay, so the thing is loading. I'm giving approve. Okay, so again I'm invested 10 Matic, guys. Okay, right now I have invested totally 20 Matic, guys. So this is giving load investing. Okay, load investing to the investors. Okay, right now I have 0.3 Matic in the seed, so I am connecting my wallet. So right now my seeds will be shown within every minute. I am getting the seeds. Okay, every minute I am getting the seeds. So probably within 1 or 2 days I will be getting my initial what of the investment. Okay, so probably this one is giving more to the profit to the investors. Okay, see right now 5,61,134 Matic has been invested. Okay, so my wallet has right now, yes, connecting my wallet. My wallet have 0.3. Okay, my seeds will be 432. Okay, so it is going great, guys. Okay, so don't miss it out. This is a new launching project, so probably you can get more profit in the initial stage. Okay, initial stage you will be getting more profit, so don't miss it out. Okay, initial stage you can get more profit. So APR is 2,555%, guys. Okay, so don't miss it out. Probably this one is giving more profit to within 1 to 5 days of launching. Okay, it's been just 1 hour of launch. Okay, so probably you all get some good profit in this kind of things. Okay, so don't miss it out. Just join and make profit and just come out, guys. Okay, within 1 week or 2 weeks, just join and make profit and come out, guys. Okay, come out with your profit. That's what I used to suggest for all the people, guys. Okay, guys, thank you so much. We'll see you in another great one.